What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to make chainsaw rocket stove out of the log. Let's see how it's done. So we got here a log. What I'm gonna do is cut it a little bit more than half on this side. Then we're gonna flip it over like this and cut it down this way. And boom, that's what we got right here. Something like that. So now what I'm gonna do is cut this like this in half once again. Boom. Something like that. Boom. Wow, this is a nice chunk to start a fire with. All these little chunks, we're gonna use it. So then if we're going to put everything together like Legos, it should fit right back. Then I'll pick out the bigger piece and once again cut it right here. So this is what it's going to look like, but we need a little piece to be cut out right here. But so it's still standing. And I think I'm gonna do it right here. Once you cut it all out, then next we're going to put it all in like this. And you see this cut out piece also gonna go like that. So now we have the top right here and the entrance. Of course we're gonna stuff it all with the shavings, dry shavings, so that way it will be even easier to start a fire from the inside of it. You don't want to stuff it too hard because you want oxygen to go through. I'm gonna get it going and then I'm gonna put it in. You can also just start a fire with this stuff as well, but it's a lot easier to have some kind of fire starter. And this is what it's going to look like. It's like a Swedish torch, but more like a rocket stove at the same time. Just need to go inside a little bit deeper. And as you can see, the air coming in inside here, especially when it's windy, and all the smoke coming off from the top and from the side, which doesn't hurt at all. If you have a nice cut, perfect cut, or you can even tie it together with some kind of twigs, so that way it sits really tight, and you see all the smoke coming up from the top. So as you can see, I can put a couple of fire starters or twigs or even this little stuff. Look how well it's going to start burning in a second. If you put it in this corner, and it's cool that you can open it up, load it up, look how well it's burning. And then all you have to do is just cover it up, close it together, so that way it's all burns from the inside right here once it's all catches together. And of course you can put more inside there like this. All that flame is going to come up from the top. Boom. Beautiful design, don't you think? We got here a good big flame down here. So what you can do is lay a few rocks like this. Make sure they lay really good. 2 and 3. And of course you can set a pot up like this so that the flame can go through under there, right on the pot. Look at it, it's surrounding the pot so much. Definitely a good flame, concentrated right on the bottom of the pot, just like stove wood. And look at this, from here fire does not come out at all. Look at that torch, so amazing. And all the flame concentrated around here. So if you have to cook and boil the water, you can do so really fast because there's so much heat around this hole. Amazing. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below, what do you think about this trick? I don't think many of you are actually going to use that because who goes camping with a chainsaw? But I think it's still pretty cool and fun. In case you do have a chainsaw, maybe going camping with the RV and you bring yourself a chainsaw as well, you can show everybody this cool little trick and boil water and cook food on one little log, because this thing is going to burn a very long time. But anyways, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. And couple hours later, look how hot it is on the inside. And it's pretty much flameless, but if you feel it right here, whoa, you're going to burn your hand if you're gonna hold it too much right here. So you can cook it even without any flames. Look, it's starting to be windy, it's catching back on again without blowing it out. Wow, look at that. A little bit of wind, it's cut right back on so well. So again, I'm gonna be able to cook on this thing for so long. As you can see, the air coming in inside this hole, and all the flame comes out from the top. This works so well, I love it. It's been burning for like at least 2 hours, and as you can see, not even halfway burned through, and it's a medium-sized log. If you get a bigger log, it's going to burn for even longer. Let's see how long will it take for us to boil the water. Check this out, the water is about to start boiling at any moment. I can see bubbles are starting coming out. Okay, it's pretty much boiling. About 10 minutes in, I'm just gonna put it all out now.